Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I missed a few uploads a couple of weeks back. I was away on holiday. I did pre-record but I didn't manage to edit them and get them uploaded in time. Anyway, I'm back. I do have a little bit of a glow. It's not shown on camera because of the bright lights. But I thought I'd start with something quite short and simple, and it is product of the week. I've picked the ABH Dream palette. This is the second glow palette that I've got from Anastasia, and funnily enough I've got both of the more like funky colours rather than neutral colours. I've got the Aurora palette. So as I open it up you'll see inside it looks like this. You get 6 quite large pans and the packaging is literally, look at that, it is absolutely beautiful. So you get 6 very large pans. They are named Wish, Unicorn, Magic, Ethereal, Sunshine and Regal. I'll be honest and I've only used Regal, Unicorn, Wish and Ethereal, and I know this palette can look a bit scary to those who aren't big highlight wearers. It doesn't look like the most wearable of colours, but it actually really is. For example, this really bright pink colour here is what I've got on my cheek today. I also have it on the brow bone, and I dipped into Regal, I'm pretty sure, and I actually have that on my shoulders and just kind of like a little bit of a wash all over my skin just to give it that little bit of glow. I'm absolutely loving this palette. Since I got it, I have to be honest, I haven't used any other highlight. I just reach for it all the time. Also, this is the highlight on dry. It didn't need wet at all. Gosh knows what it would look like wet. It would be pretty intense. Let me show you a couple of swatches just now. So I'll go into Wish and I'll go into Regal and Ethereal. These colours are really right up my street. So that's them there on the fingers. And that is how they swatch. So as you can see, they are pretty intense. That was only one swipe down with my fingers. The packaging is gorgeous. There's quite a lot of product in it. It is quite pricey, I would say. I guess it depends on how much you usually pay for your makeup. I purchased this from Beauty Bay and it was £46. So yeah, £46 for some highlighter I think probably is expensive, but as I said, the pans are really quite huge and you will be there a while before you hit pan on these. I'm going to try and give you a little close up of the highlighter just now. So as I said, it's on my cheeks, brow bones and inner corner. Do you desperately need this palette in your collection? Probably not, but for those of you who are pretty big highlight collectors, then I'm sure this will be a favourite in your collection. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon.